Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here we have the 2019 Q8 with the Guggenheim shot to the right front. We're replacing the inner and outer tie rods. We're replacing the wheel bearing. We already have it all taken apart. Axle nut is broken free. So now we're going to get the wheel bearing out. Very good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we have everything removed. We have the inner and outer tie rod removed. We have the wheel bearing itself removed, and we're prepping the whole area for installation of the new parts. Very good. Well, alright guys, here we have all the new parts and the old parts. As you can see, we got a bent finger right here. Our outer tie rod looked like it got a little bit more of a belly right there than here. So we definitely needed that. Wheel bearing, it's already mounted up. Brand new hardware, brand new axle bolt. Brand new hardware. Very good. Now let's finish prepping the vehicle for installation of the new parts. So these guys here are 100 Fig Newtons plus another 90 degrees, but I'll double check on that. Almost there. Very good. We're going to do all four. Now the next step is 90 degrees. What I like to do is I draw a little hair on the bolt, a little line at 9 o'clock, and then when I'm done, the line will be at noon or at 12 o'clock. So let's do the final stage. Very good. Well, we have these all torqued to spec, but I noticed I made a goomba move. I put the tie rod on, I put the nut on, but I didn't put the clamp on. So, took the tie rod out, gotta take this nut out, slip this clamp on, and continue. Alright, this guy is 140 Newton meters, and I must say, you have to be very careful because you're right next to the wheel speed sensor. Oh, come on. There. Woo. Very good. The brake caliper bolts are 196 Fig Newton meters. One. And there's two. Very good. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. All the new hardware is torqued down to spec. All of our wheel bearing hardware is torqued to spec. That's tight. Not too tight because we still have a four-wheel alignment. Got the new bolt end right there. We still have to torque that to spec once it's on the ground. Right now we're just mounting and balancing 4 brand new tires, and we got the brand new rim and brand new tire right there. Very good. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, we're at 12 o'clock with my little mark right there. So that's my extra 90 degrees. Everything is torqued to spec. Everything is back in. Now we got to go over to the alignment rack. Very good. All right, here's the first 200 newtons of the Fig. Double check it. Alright, now we got to do a ball breaking 180. Alright, we got our mark on the axle nut. Let's... Ah, 180. Very good. See, that's what I'm talking about. Those are my rear angles. Now we're going to go up to the front. Well, alright guys, let's give a quick recap.
We replaced the right front wheel bearing. We replaced the right front inner tie rod, outer tie rod boot, tie rod nut, clamp there, axle bolt, wheel bearing hardware. We performed a 4-wheel alignment. Now, I eyeballed the tie rod. I counted how many times it came off the inner tie rod. You just count how many and then you put it back in the same way. Giggity. And this is where my starting point was. We had some bad toe. The rear wasn't that bad out, but I didn't like the numbers. Now let's go to the final numbers. Our toe is nominal. Our rear alignment, camber, toe, all nominal. Road tested the vehicle, drives straight as an arrow. No abnormal noises in the suspension, no warning lights, no nothing. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.